Today is Monday, January 27th, and today I learned that when you're having a bad day, it's very helpful to think about, instead of to continue ruminating on how bad the day was, it's really helpful to think about what went well that day. And this is very simple information, but it's what I learned today, right? Today was just a bad day. Woke up late, didn't get stuff done, didn't interact well with others, and just the more I thought about how bad the day was, the more I just felt worse about myself, and it just made the day worse. But just thinking about what went well today has been really helpful, even if it's just really small things, right? It doesn't have to be some massive thing that you got done. Just something that went well today, even if it's just really small. So for example, something that went well today is that I wasn't very motivated to work out, but then I still worked out, and I was able to actually get some PRs kind of thing, like the most reps that I've done in certain exercises with a certain amount of weight, and that was something that went well today. Even though it's relatively small, it's still something that went well today. Another thing is that I was able to use this this new thing that I got for my softball, and it was just a very small thing, but it was a good part of my day. Or just talking to people, right? Even if it wasn't super even if it wasn't a super intellectual conversation or whatever, just talking to certain people, right? Being around people just in general made today a good day. So instead of just thinking objectively, literally I was talking earlier and I was just thinking objectively today was a bad day. But I was no, it wasn't objectively a bad day. It could have been a lot worse, and there were good things that happened today. When you're having a bad day, don't ruminate on how terrible it was and just keep thinking about how terrible you are and how terrible the day was. Instead, think about what went well today and how you can just do better tomorrow. I saw a quote that was try to improve on who you were yesterday rather than who someone else is today, right? So improve on who you were yesterday rather than who someone else is today. So that's kind of the quote of the day, I guess. That's kind of what I learned today. It was just simple. It was just a really bad day, but then one thing that helped with that was just thinking about what went well today. So try to incorporate that, especially when you're having a bad day. So that's what I learned today. Hopefully, if you had a bad day today, then hopefully this was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down below if you have any thoughts. Join my Patreon for a community with people who just want to get better at life one day at a time. Just discussion posts and a community chat, things like that. So there's a free and paid version, but that's chill. The verse of the day for today is Ephesians 6:13, where it says, "Therefore take up the whole armor of God, that you may be able to withstand in the evil day, and having done all, to stand firm." So that's the verse of the day. Verse that was very helpful for me today. Thanks for watching. This video is specifically recommended for you, so if you find that interesting, then definitely click on it. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.